Hey guys, it's Joey here. I figured since in the course of renting out a trailer, there's a few things that I've had to learn how to repair, that I would share what I've learned so far. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. We're going to be finishing a job that I started the other day, which is to repair a broken cabinet door that's beneath the sink here. What I've done so far is to fill the stripped out holes where those screws need to sit with some toothpicks and wood glue. Needed to let those set for a day or two. So now we're back at it. All right, today we're going to be working on the door. I've got drill, some sandpaper, and we've already got the toothpicks there. They've been drying for 24, actually, I think 48 hours. So now it's time to see if they're all ready to go and get those trimmed, sanded, and ready to remount the door. All right, so these look pretty good. Glue is dry, so I don't have anything super fancy. I'm going to see if I can use this little box cutter to go ahead and trim these off, get them nice and flush. See how the door sits. I think that's going to work. So we're going to get our screws. We've got some extra long screws. They're about 1 inch long. The ones that it came with were maybe, I don't know, 1/4 inch or maybe a little bit more, but there's plenty of room behind. Showing you in here, you can see the area behind should fit. So let's get a drill out. I'm gonna use this, I think, to give it maybe just a little bit of a pilot hole. We're going to want it to be really small. I think I'm just going to use this real small one, like 5/16. We'll see if that gives us just enough for it to bite. All right. I think we know where they are, so we're just going to do just in the very center. Give it just a little bit to start. Any further and probably undo the whole purpose of putting those toothpicks in there. So we're just gonna use the fancy foot method to hold it up here. Get this screw ready to go. If we get it all the way through there. All right. So what I like to do is just give it a start with hand screwdriver. Let's lift it up just a little bit. Give it a little start here. Okay, Be careful to make sure that the bottom is able to line up properly before I commit. Get all 4 of them in there going. We'll be set. Okay. Make sure that lines up with the closed door here. The latch. Okay. All right. So now all there is to do is see if the door swings open. Looks like it does. Looks like we've got ourselves a functioning door. Join me next time on Out South Rentals.